Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to initiate launch control in your G80 or G82, M3, and M4 competition. All right, let's get it. All right, everyone, so as y'all can see, I'm in the vehicle, and what I want to do is kind of give y'all some tips here and pull up the instruction manual to show you exactly how it tells you in the instruction manual how to initiate launch control. All right, so as you guys see right here on my telephone screen, I have two apps pulled up, my BMW and Driver's Guide. The BMW Driver's Guide is a good resource. I recommend everyone that's a BMW owner to download this, so I'm gonna click into it now so you can see exactly what it is. So the BMW Driver's Guide app gives you some tips, tricks, vehicle information, just quick reference materials, and also gives you some quick information about your vehicle. As you see right here, it's showing my vehicle up top, telling me what kind of car I have, giving me some how-tos, quick links. What I want to do is use the search function. So you'll see the search function at the bottom right of the screen. Once you hit the search function, you'll be able to come in here and search and be able to figure out anything about your car. So we're going to put in launch to pull up launch control. And as you see, I type in launch, almost launch, and then launch control pops up. So we pull up launch control. All right, so it says as here, launch control concept. Launch control enables optimum acceleration on surfaces with good traction under dry surrounding conditions. So just makes you launch harder from zero, pretty much is what it's saying. So it's telling you don't use launch control pretty much within the break-in period. It's kind of what it's saying there. Launch control is available when the engine is at operating temperature. The engine is at operating temperature after an uninterrupted trip of at least 6 miles. So drive 6 miles before you want to try launch control to make sure the car is good and warm. All right, and it says start with launch control. It says switch on drive ready state. Basically make sure the car's on. Deactivate dynamic stability control. Select sequential mode with gear 2 and drive logic program S3. So pretty much you want to put the transmission all the way in the highest setting, and you also want to put it into, you push it over in the sport manual mode is what it's saying. Then it says with your left foot forcefully press down on the brake, press and hold down accelerator pad beyond the resistance point of full throttle, the kick down, and then you should see little flags pop up pretty much, and that let you know you're in launch control. Hold it for a little bit and then release the brake. As soon as you release the brake, the car should launch. So that's basically saying how you launch the vehicle there. It says after launch control has been used, it's necessary to drive a certain distance before launch control can be used again. So basically, after I launch it this first time, when I show you guys, I'm gonna have to drive around a little bit and then I can launch it again. All right, so that's pretty much how you use launch control, man. So that's why I said this little app is a great resource. You can search for things in your car and it'll take you right to it in like the instruction manual, and you don't have to flip through a bunch of pages or scroll through a bunch of pages. So this is a good app. I recommend everyone downloading it. All right, so now let's go ahead and try launch control. All right, everyone, so I'm in the car. I got it in M dynamic mode. I'm gonna turn traction control off. It says DSC, chassis stabilization. Hold on, I gotta hold it. DSC is off. All right, DSC is inactive. Turn my AC off. All right, so remember it said make sure it's in level 3. Now you want to push it over. So you got to push it over first, then make sure it's in level 3, which mine is default for level 3. All right, so now DSC is off. Everything's good. My foot's on the brake, so now I'm gonna hit the gas. Okay, so you have to be in second gear, so you can't launch in first gear. That's the problem. So you got to go back and read the instructions. Sequential mode with gear 2, drive logic S3. So I have it on gear 2, drive logic S3. Left foot all the way down on the brake, press and hold the accelerator pedal beyond resistance point. Okay, so you had to put it in gear 2. Now let's try it. I'm still not. Press and hold down the accelerator pedal beyond resistance points at full throttle. A destination flag is displayed on instrument cluster. So I'm not pushing it all the way down. It feels weird. So I'm gonna push it all the way down this time, see if the flag pops up, and we're gonna see what happens. Wish me luck. Preparing launch. Launch control active. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I did burn some tire a little bit there, but I was able to get a launch off, so that was pretty cool there. So let me turn around and then I'll be right back with y'all. So I drove all the way down and back, so hopefully that's enough for me to activate launch control again. So let's go ahead and try this one more time. All right, I know it said you had to drive around for a little bit to do it again, so let's do it again. So all right, I have it shifted up in gear 2. I'm in level 3 for the transmission. DSC is off. All right, my left foot is all the way down on the brake. Now I'll put my right foot all the way down on the floor, and we'll see if we can engage the launch control. All right. All right. So it looks like maybe I haven't driven around long enough, because it did say you had to wait a little bit. So I'm gonna drive all the way around the facility all the way, and then I'll be right back with y'all. All right, everyone, so I'm back. So what I'm gonna try to do, I do have a draggy. I borrowed it from my buddy Savage Panda Projects. So y'all make sure to go subscribe to his channel. Evan was able to let me borrow his draggy so I can do some testing here. So I know a lot of you guys asked for testing of 0 to 60, and then also some 60 to 120 with the race chip. So I will be bringing those videos soon to you guys, man. It's a little hot right now in Charlotte. Cops are out and about trying to stop people from, speeding and doing stuff like that. So I have to find some real open road, kind of flat, so it's a little difficult, but I will be bringing y'all that content. All right, so I got the draggy right here. I'm not gonna use launch control. I'm just gonna punch it and see what I can get the 60, see how fast I can get the 60 without using launch control. All right, so I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. It's gonna be in M dynamic mode. Traction is not gonna be completely off. So we're gonna see what we can hit from just punching it straight from the dig. All right, so I'm actually gonna let the car do the shifting first, and then I'm gonna shift the second time. All right, so 3, make sure the draggy is ready. Draggy looks to be ready. 3, 2, 1. From just punching it, it was 5 seconds to 60. And like I said, that's just me punching it without using launch control. So this time I'm gonna try with me shifting. 3, 2, 1. I felt like I did. Yep, I did better. I did better myself with shifting. I probably could have held the first gear a little bit longer, but that time I got 473. Like I said, this car is rated at 3.7, so that's just gonna take me learning the car and learning the perfect shift points when I need to shift. But I probably shouldn't have shifted the third. I probably should have tried to hit 60 in second gear, kept first gear out a little longer. Hope y'all appreciate me suffering in this heat for y'all. I don't have the AC on. I do have the seat coolers on, but I don't have any AC on. It's getting a little hot in here, but gotta do it for the content, doing it for y'all, man. So to show y'all appreciation, please give me a like on this video, man. So all right, let me go ahead and turn traction completely off. DSC is off, traction is off, draggy's ready, y'all are ready, camera's ready, I'm ready. I think I'm ready. Brakes all the way in. Now, let's see if we've driven around enough to initiate launch control for a second time. Preparing launch. Launch control active. 3, 2, 1, let's go. It didn't really feel like launch control. Maybe I held it too long. It just didn't feel right to me. Yeah, I'm getting worse 0 to 60 times. It didn't feel, maybe I held it too long. So I'm gonna go, now I gotta drive around again. It's like I held it too long or something. I don't know, it's kind of weird. Because that was a worse 0 to 60 time. That time was 7.58. No, I'm sorry, that was a better time. I'm looking at the wrong thing. That was a 4.1. That was a 4.1, and I didn't feel like I did it right. So I was able to get 4.1. That's with my body weight. I'm a bigger guy, you know, a little over 300 pounds. So if, you know, if the regular BMW techs were getting like 3.7, 3.8, and I got 4.1, you know, I'll take that, you know, because they're probably 150 pounds soaking wet. I'm like 2 of them. So this is like riding with 2 people in the car with me as one person. So I'll take 4.1. I'm gonna drive around right now, try to get it one more time, all right? Try to hit this one more time. 3rd time's a charm. I want to get in the 3s. I want to get 3.9. Hopefully I can get 3.9. We'll see. All right, everyone, so I drove around for a little bit, got my camera set up in a new position. I got a draggy camera going on this run, so hopefully we'll be able to get into the 3s, man. My goal is just to get into 3. Even if it's 3.9, I'll be happy. My best run so far has been 4.1. I think I held it a little too long on the last run. So this time I'm gonna go, when I say 3, I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, then go. Last time I said 1, 2, 3, and then kind of waited and then went, and the flags came off. So I think I need to hit it again. So that's what I'm about to try again right now. So again, shift up to 2, make sure traction is off, left foot all the way down on the brake, and right foot on the gas. Preparing launch. Launch 1, 2, 3. I stayed all the way in at that time. I did not come off. Let's see what I got. 0 to 60 is 4.2. So I'm spinning a little bit, you know, spinning a little bit, and that's what's costing me my time. That's what's hurting me on my time, you know. 4.2, 4.1 is the best I can get right now today, and that's I'm gonna live with it, you know. I'm gonna live with it for today. Also, for those, if I haven't mentioned it or said it before, I am not doing this on the race chip tune, or a race chip piggyback. I am doing this on stock engine power. So I turned the piggyback off. So this is stock power that I'm doing this on. And so that's what I got. It's best I can get. So if any of you guys have tried launch control and got a drag and done the times, please let me know what the best times you got. Comment them down below. Let me know. And I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up, man. Hope y'all enjoy this content. Now you know how to do launch control in your G80 M3 or G82 M4 competition. So, all right, that's gonna be it. Have a good day. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.